Alright, cool. As promised, I said I was gonna hit you back up with a Chainlink update. I think yesterday when I made this video, Chainlink was around here, and I explained why I entered a short and why I closed my short, and I was looking for a long. And I think, yeah, the price was around here. I sold around here. I said, yeah, this is why I was gonna, this is why I was gonna enter a long, just just to show you how I trade and why I trade the way I trade. On yesterday's video, I said I could enter right now, but I won't. I wanted the price to do something like this. Let's turn this white. So cool. Funny enough, the price done that. So if I go over here, go on this video, 10% down here. Let's go, look. So all of these candlesticks represent what's happening. As you can see, the price was going down. And then let me tell you the bit where I say, and want to be team. Where is it, man? That's me. See me. That's how broken. Just literally just going through so much shit. Long for tree will be. Here we go. This is the money bit. Let's zoom in. Let's turn this green. Let's make it bigger. Let's just turn this blue. Just so you can see it. Boom. This would be my entry. New pivot. See that? So I'll miss out on all of this. Once this is the most important bit of trading the way I trade. Like it's crazy to explain, man. Like the more I explain it, hopefully people understand why I trade the way I trade. So price was going down, yeah. So let's go on the 4 hour. And on that video, I explained why I sold. I started seeing these wicks. Let me zoom in. Can you see these wicks? These are buying pressure. These are the sellers. These candlesticks. Each candlestick kind of represents something in my eyes, yeah. These candlesticks are showing me that the sellers are getting the sellers are getting tired. They're getting tired. They're getting tired. So that means the buyers are coming in. And the buyers want the price to go up, obviously, yeah? It's like, so that's why I kind of got scared yesterday. Like when I saw this candlestick over here and I saw the way it got bought up, I was like, maybe it's time to sell. So I sold. And then I thought everyone that sold down here, if the price comes up to here, they're going to be fucked, right? They're going to get trapped. So I started looking for a long. So, and another example of why I'm not saying every time you see this, you should think, oh, sellers are getting tired. No, I'm just saying like for me, it made sense. Plus, look, these are all like, you can call these support because down here was resistance. It was resistance. Now it's turned to support, yeah? Plus, you're seeing the wicks. So everything kind of needs to add up. Plus, when I saw Bitcoin looked like it was bouncing. So it's all of those things coming together that made me want to sell my short and enter long, yeah? And the reason why I done this blue line yesterday and price action respected it is, let me go on the hourly. Now look, on the hourly you can see this, it's actually perfect. So I said on my previous video, you can go and check on it, I said I'm gonna miss out on all of this. Like I can enter right now, but I'm gonna miss out on all of this. And once price action breaks this high, then I can enter. As you can see, from here to here, it would have been a 3%, just under 4% move. I'm a 10x, 5x kind of guy, so that'll be some nice gains. But me, honestly, I missed out on this because it was my mom's birthday yesterday and I didn't have time just to chill and just go through the charts and all of that. So, you know, family's important. So I went out with my mom, my family and that, get something to eat, whatever. So I missed out on this. So when I've come back, I saw this and I just smiled. I was like, shit, if I do you know what I'm saying? If I entered, I would have made some pro. But anyway, so I looked at this last night. This was around 1 o'clock. I realized this is resistance. So I entered a little cheeky short, just a little short. You see what I'm saying? Where's my short? Let me show you my little gains. See it there? Entered a quick short. This one Hyperliquid. Quick short, 10x, 17%. This actually went down to 20% and I sold because it was just, I felt like I missed out on the long. Plus, I see an opportunity for a quick short. Why not? 20% move. That's all right. You know what I'm saying? That's, for me, that's, thank you. I'm happy with that. And you have to be happy with these gains, you know, like it's not always 100%, 300%. Like you have to respect the 17%, the 20%, even the 5%. The way I see it, as long as you don't lose money, like you're winning. Like you're winning. But anyways, this is the update. So let me stop going on. For whoever didn't trade this yesterday, or whoever would want to trade this today, how would you trade this? I don't know. That's on you. Because this ain't no financial advice, you know? This is just, how would I trade this? Me personally, how would I trade this? This would have been a lovely entry yesterday because I could have literally entered there and done my stop loss over here. I could have easily just done stop loss over here and just let this trade run. Whatever happens, happens. Or if I wanted to feel safe, I could have just put my stops over here at entry, so it would have been a free trade. But anyways, cool. How would I trade this now? How would I trade this now? Let's look at the 4-hour quick. Look at that. The sellers don't want it to go past this line, man. Look at that. It's like 16 hours literally just fighting here. 4, 8, 12, 16. Literally 16 hours of just price action just playing around here. So they don't want it to go past here. That's what I'm seeing. So how would I trade this? How would I trade this? It depends on my risk, how I'm feeling. Because I could enter some here. And if it goes down, enter some more. Or I could do the super bad boy thing. Wait for it to break that. Wait for it to break this. Do this. This looks better for me. This looks like something I'll probably do. Yeah, this is how I trade this. But to be honest with you, I'm looking at another coin right now, and I'm going to do another video about that. But this is just a quick update on Chainlink. But yeah, Chainlink, I'll trade this like this. But obviously, I always have to look at what the big boss Bitcoin's doing. Let's see what this is doing. Get rid of that. Let's go on the hourly. All right. So far, on the hourly, Bitcoin's breaking out. You might think this trend line looks weird, but it's actually the trend line. The only reason this yellow trend line is looking weird is because I've got it to candle close. So I'm not doing it based on a wick. I'm actually doing a candle close. So if I go like this, you see what I'm saying? Yeah, like that. Yeah. So you can see. So like, this is literally like candle close, candle close, candle close, candle close, candle close, candle close. I could do it either way. I could do it from the wicks, but sometimes I like doing the candle closed. It just gives me a better outlook. But anyways, this was my Bitcoin plan from last night. I done this chart for Bitcoin last night. It's either Bitcoin breaks out. This is some strong resistance over here. Turns this resistance into support. And off we go to 116. Or we go out here, get a fake out, and we come back down into 108. Let's get rid of that. So yeah, right now it's looking like it's breaking out. Any moving averages? All right, cool. So right now, Bitcoin is looking like it's going to break out. Is it going to break out? I don't know. Is it just going to come back down? God knows. But my thing is not to predict. My thing is to react. So I'm watching Bitcoin. I'm also watching Total 3. And this is looking all right to me. Because this looks like a perfect. Not perfect, but this looks like a good retest. It didn't close below here. It wicked, but it didn't close. And now it's looking like it wants to go up. So if this goes up, all the other coins go up. Apart from, like, this doesn't represent Ethereum or Bitcoin. It represents every other crypto coin. Yeah, so I'm looking at Bitcoin, I'm looking at total 3, and I'm looking at Link. And Link, sellers look like they're in control right now. They don't want it to go above this line. Turn that to yellow. They don't want it to go above 24.799. So I'll enter on the break and retest off 24.799. Hopefully that makes sense. If I do enter this trade, long or short, I'll keep you updated. But right now, I'm looking at another coin and I'm going to do a video about that next. So this was a quick one, just a quick update. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, all of that. I hit you up with some more real soon, God willing.